All right, bonus video. I'm going to show you 3 major useful tricks. Now, on the Mac, the Option key is the same as the Alt key on the PC. The Command key on the Mac is equivalent to the Control key on the PC. So keep that in mind as I give you these tricks. I'm going to grab my regular lasso tool, not a special lasso tool, the regular lasso tool. That's important. And I'm going to hold, I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to hold the Option key, and I'm going to click on my one layer. I've only got one layer. Nothing's isolated. It's as if it's all painted on one flat canvas. That's my problem, okay? I want to separate the little boy from the background. So check it out. I'm going to do Option click in the corners. It just anchors into the corners. Wait, what is that? It looks like a stretchy, straight rubber band following me around. It is. It's waiting for you just to anchor. There it is. I'm clicking with my mouth. Click sounds are optional. I'm going to come to the almost last mark, and instead of clicking and re-clicking on the original spot that I clicked, watch, I'm just going to let go. Even though it's off at this weird angle, I'm going to let go, and it goes, it goes ahead and completes. It auto connects, completes to that last mark. Now it's selected, but it's not isolated. It's not separated on its own layer. That's trick 2. Command J, look at my layers panel. Command J jumps. That's it. It looks like it's copied, created a new layer, and pasted. It hasn't. In fact, I'm glad it hasn't, because when you copy something, it goes to the clipboard and it steals RAM from Photoshop, which can create glitches. Scratch disk is full error. So Command J avoids the clipboard. Awesome. Check on number 2. Now, number 3. If you want to select anything, command clicking anything, in this case, the layer I just jumped, command clicking anything makes a selection out of anything. I just command click and it reselects that at any moment in time. Future, 10 years from now, I can do that. Hey, wait a minute. I'm noticing that this channel panel is open and there's a channel in there, whatever those are, we'll talk. And it says lens stencil. I wonder if I command click on the lens stencil, if it would select it. It does. Command clicking anything selects anything. Wait, even type? I don't have type. Look at my layers. Layer 1, layer 0, but if I start clicking Sony, I now have a big old chunk of Sony type. It's real type. I haven't converted it or rasterized it in any way. It's type, and that type layer can also be command clicked to select anything, even if I don't want to see it anymore. I'm going to poke it in the eye. Ow, you can't see when you get poked in the eye. It hides. So what if I just wanted to create a new blank layer, but my selection travels with me so that I could maybe use my gradient tool and do a gradient in that selection, or my my brush tool, and brush inside that selection. There you have it.